In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an S3 bucket and have publicly accessible objects. And it can be used to host your own website or just have objects publicly available to people. So let's get into it. Let's click Create Bucket. Okay, and then you can go ahead and pick your region. Mine's US West Oregon. We do not want to copy settings from an existing bucket. Next. These default settings are okay. We can go to next. So since we want the objects in our bucket to be publicly accessible, what we want to do is uncheck block new public ACLs and uploading public objects. And we also want to uncheck remove public access granted through public ACLs. So that allows us to have publicly accessible objects, and it also allows us to set objects we upload to publicly accessible. So we go to next. You could review your settings right here. You can go ahead and create the bucket. Okay, great. So now we go in, click upload, and I'm just going to upload a test file. Okay, hit next. So here where it says manage public permissions, you're going to go and click grant public read access to this object. And it will give you a warning, but that's okay because we want it to be publicly accessible. So go to next, and standard storage is fine. Next, upload. So it should upload, and then we can go ahead and test the URL, and there it is. Hello world. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. Yeah, the public access settings, and you could always come back in and change them. So these are the two that we unchecked, and we left the other ones as is. Yeah, that really is it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more AWS videos. Bye.